Orangutans nurse longer than any other mammals, but figuring out just exactly how long has been a challenge for scientists trying to study these treetop dwellers. Now, a group of researchers has taken a new approach, looking for clues about nursing not in the canopies, but instead in orangutan teeth. The researchers turned to decades old museum collections for teeth from four wild orangutans who died before adulthood. Just as scientists analyze the rings in a tree trunk for clues about a fallen tree's life, the researchers examine teeth for deposits of barium, an element that comes from mother's milk. Researchers found that after a baby orangutan's first year of life, barium deposits varied throughout each year. An orangutan's diet consists largely of fruit, and this yearly fluctuation in barium probably means moms took up nursing again when that food source was scarce. Evidence of nursing continued past 8 years, meaning orangutans are weaned even later than researchers had thought. Scientists hope that learning more about orangutan behavior in the wild will aid conservation efforts for these great apes, whose populations are predicted to be cut in half in the next decade.